Easy to use. Upload your document, get it signed, verify it. After log into your account on the dashboard, click on Create New Envelope button. Select your preferred visibility for the document from the drop-down. Upload your document in PDF format. Scroll down to Add Signers and Viewers. Enter name, email ID, and select role from the drop-down. You can add multiple signers and viewers. On this page, you can see your uploaded document. Drag the secured QR code and place it at the required space in the document. You can enlarge the QR code as per your choice. You can even zoom in or out your entire document. Now select a signer from the drop-down. Place the required fields just by drag and drop. Add all the required fields in place. Signature, name, position, company, date signed, text. You can format all the fields if you want. Different fonts, text sizes, and text styles are available. After filling up one signer's details, switch the signer's account from the drop-down and fill the fields. You can delete any field just by clicking on Delete after selecting the field, or you can click on the cross button as well. Click on Next. Submit your request. Your document will get saved and secured on VeriDoc Ledger. Please check your email. Click on View Document link in the mail. Click Continue to sign. Create your signature here. Enter full name, initials, position, company name, select a default style for signature. You can draw your signature. Or you can upload a saved signature image. Continue to sign. Click on Sign Here field. Enter all the required details. Click Submit. Your signed document has been saved securely in the VeriDoc Ledger. After log into your account, on the dashboard, click on Verify link under Action column. In this page, you have to enter your email and caption to receive the OTP for verification purpose. Request OTP. OTP will be sent to your email. Open your email, copy OTP. Paste it in the given box. Enter the caption. Submit your request. Once your account verification is done successfully, please click on Continue. In this page, you can see the document with its current status and details. Thank you for watching. Happy signing!